Friendly warning about coming here to Margaritaville. Not responsible for any damage, theft to the vehicles or the contents of the vehicle. To that I say, damn, what kind of place is this?
Margaritaville, just hire some security. This is a beautiful resort, and the first thing that a visitor sees shouldn't be a warning sign that someone's gonna break into their vehicle. I'm just saying. As soon as we walked in, we got a pretty aggressive timeshare pitch. Some people don't mind it, but today we weren't interested, so we politely declined and kept it moving. Once I made it past the aggressive timeshare people, I was able to truly appreciate how beautiful the lobby really is. It has that laid-back kind of vibe that Margaritaville is known for. But I had my eyes set on the lobby bar named Euphoria, because after all, it's 5 o'clock somewhere. After studying the menu and having a quick conversation with the bartender, I settled on the hibiscus margarita. That drink was strong and I really liked it, and it was a little bit sour, and it had a salt rim instead of a sugar rim, which helped blend the flavors very well. We also found out from the bartender that as of the week of our visit, they started offering tapas at the lobby bar, and we took advantage of it. We ended up ordering the prosciutto wrapped dates, which were salty and sweet, and also getting the ropa vieja empanadas. Deep fry anything and you have my attention. After having good drinks and incredible food, we wanted to take a little walk around the property and burn off some of those calories. And we had never been to the Margaritaville before, so it was nice to just take a stroll and see what they offered. The property is set in a very nice location. It really has this kind of beachy vibe to it. The cottages were incredible, very brightly colored, and some of the cottages even had their own private pools and hot tubs. Man, I really hope I get to stay here someday. And now, I'd like to hear from you. Have you ever stayed at the Margaritaville in Orlando, Florida before? And if you have, please share your experience below. And make sure you're subscribed, because this is only part 2 of my holiday vacation series. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you again soon.